don't know if I was live or not, my microphone was live or not, but I want to see if we hold this level here. I got 10 micros in, 18. I think what I'm gonna do, take some partials here and let the rest run. Well, really want to see if they hold this. Eat the serotonin, serotonin. That's the last seller's candle. So added volume here. The close / open of the hour is here. So that's pretty clean. And this isn't marked as a seller's candle because there's no added volume, and it's Hawkeye. This is the Hawkeye indicator. It's essentially a volume candle, volume indicator that marks if something is more of a buyer more as a seller. So that's something that I am sold on using now. Really want to see if they hold this low here. So if they collapse, I'm gonna take partials at 80, and then I'm gonna let it run till I'm gonna let the other 7 run till 160, or not 160. I think this is 200 ticks. Yeah, this is a 200 tick full trade with a partial at 80. Here comes that level. Keeps bouncing from it. It's like 22 ticks up. Nothing yet aside from this buy candle. That's pretty much it. This is a new 5-minute. This 5-minute is a seller's candle. Hit it. Remember, I want to see this held. go into a little bit of profit. Let me peek out the one. Added volume here. Okay, so signal this as a buyer's candle. We got that. Let's see if they officially turn this 5-minute into a continuation of this sell candle. They're holding this. That's clearly more premium. They clearly snagged the premium of it. Got 2 minutes left in this 5-minute. It added volume here. One ticks. Hit it again. Okay, let's watch these next 2 minutes. 2, 1. Close right at it. Oh, I want to be a bear so badly. I mean, a bull so badly. Serotonin. Holding that. It's 28 ticks now. The next level of concern will be open interest. Nope. This was initial balance here. This is the low of that. So now I'm gonna watch that low. We're holding that, so that's decent. This is a seller's candle though. That is a seller's candle. So I mark that as a bearish candle. That's an open on the 5 minute. Added volume here in that 5 minute. They gotta hold this. They have to hold this. Got 3 minutes left. Let's take a peek. This was a buyer's candle, but it didn't have added volume. Here comes the low of initial balance. Hit it. No waterfall or anything like that. It's just chugging along downward. $5.07. How's the 5 minute looking? No dangerous waterfall just yet. They're just semi-holding this level and this level here. Get a feeling that if they get below here, they'll take out everyone up to open interest, and that'll be that move. Below it, got 1 more minute left in this 5 minute. Where you hiding? Where you going? I don't know. Okay. Close right there, but it's a seller's candle. Has a fair value gap there as well. It hasn't been violent yet. It's now 1:15. This is a seller's candle, so we should be getting violence now. Damn. Damn, bulls. Okay. Got another 13 minutes left there. Got another 3 minutes left here. Remember, this is a seller's candle. They got the open of that candle. We'll love to see them shift here as a bull, but if they don't, then that's continued move for our position. Peek under the hood. That's a buyer's candle right there against this seller's candle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is officially a buyer's candle. I would like to see them shift here. Let you by my side. Need that serotonin. Where you hiding? Where you going? Alright, we're holding this. We're holding this. We're holding this. Oh God. I'm stressed because I want to be a long-term bear still, with the Thursday buy still being something that I would theoretically still want to stay in. But if they do something crazy here, then I'm gonna have to cut that idea off. I really want to see these two levels held. Really want to see that. We're added volume on this 5 minute. So I would love to see us shift higher. Let me see if I can find a balanced price range here. I do not see one. I just see this. Turn this off. I really want to see this fair value gap at least held. Added volume on this big wick candle. Gap lower here. Gap lower here. And that's the close of that candle, that 5 minute. Added volume. They gotta hold this. They gotta hold this. That's technically a balanced price range with that PDA right there. That's technically a balanced price range. There it goes. Big wick right here. This is creating a seller's candle. It might get violent at 130. Not what I want to see, but if that's what they want to do, then I'm in position for that. Violence here is not what I want to see, but if it is, then I'm in for it. Okay. Caught this low. the right macro, right? Yes, it is. That's correct. So this sell would have been profitable, this one as well, this one, this one, this one, and this one would have been profitable. It is profitable, clearly, because I'm still holding the position. Alright, going into 130, I'm just going to put break even. This is the open of the hour right here. 22. We gotta see this level held. Let me get rid of these since those are mitigated. This is also mitigated. I want to see this low right here held. Got 2 minutes left in this 5 minute. I don't really see anywhere else that they would want to sell aside from here and maybe the midpoint of this wick, which they got. And the top of this wick lines up with this sell high. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this sell high here. This is a buyer's candle right here. Would love to see this held. Alright, I want to see that buy low held. Nothing new. This is still a seller's candle. Ten seconds till 12:25. Okay, new 5 minute. Since this is about to be the new 5 minute, we're at the midpoint of this 30-minute range. No new seller's candles. We still have this buyer's candle here. 4 minutes left in that 5 minute. Okay, now I just want to see the open of the hour. 25. Alright, so with this mitigated and this tag, we're just looking at this buy low, then this sell high, and this buy low. Okay. Two minutes. Caught just the premium of that. Caught the premium. Checking Twitter. Making sure there's nothing else that I need to know about. Circles. All right, this is good. This is interesting. We're gonna hit the open. The prayer is that the 1030 open interest low is the low that they want to buy from. So here's 130. There's the open. Healthily got the open, so anyone that was here is filled. Let's see them take the high. They took the high. They wicked it at least. Okay, everyone that was high is filled. Let's see if they stop me out. This is 1250 right here. See if they go past here. That's pretty violent. Oh man, that's pretty violent. want to see them hold 130. This is 130 is a buyer's candle, so I would love to see this held. We've gotten the hold here because we wicked off the initial balance low here. So that looks good. Please hold this. Please hold this. Volume imbalance here, so that's good hopium. I got 2 minutes left in this 5 minute. No new sellers candles yet. Just buying candles right now, so that's a good thing. We held this buy here, so that's good. And now we have to hold this or this buy. We wicked off of it already. Cool. So if you're fading me right now, you're doing really good. I don't think we're gonna get the PM slam. We got this 50 here. As long as we don't get our 50, get this slam here, this bull run is still intact. And that's what I want to see. Shit, it's adding here. Then add it here. It didn't light up, but this is a seller's candle. Jesus, this is a seller's candle. Oh my God. And now this next one is being marked as a seller's candle. Gotta hold this. Wow. They gotta hold this level now. This is now officially a seller's candle. I guess I should look at a 5 minute now. The 5 minute, this is a buyer's candle here, so we gotta hold this 130 level. We have to hold this 130 level. this is trying to print as a buyer's candle, but it's not adding volume. It printed as such, but it's not buying. It's not really officially a buying candle for me. But we are holding this 130 level. So if you took this sell right here, you got more than enough room for now. No new seller's candles since this candle, so they've rejected the midpoint of this and this so far, but this is also a buyer's candle. So as the conditions clearly state, that this is practically untradeable because we're hopefully going to get stopped out here. Hit the 50 again. We've closed above this, so that's pretty good. And they've printed another buyer's candle, so this is great. We should be getting stopped out. In theory, we should be getting stopped out in the next candle. In theory, in the next candle, we should be getting stopped out. It will be concerning if we didn't get stopped out in the next candle. In this next 5 minutes, we should be getting stopped out. How much is that? 5? Hold this here. Got a whole 130. And then from there would essentially be this low. Apparently this is a seller's candle. Three minutes until we're cleared for another trade opportunity. Let me mark this correctly. Credit card decline. Okay. There goes 130. That low is tagged. Not looking at that no more. I want to see that next low held. Two more minutes. Nothing new. This was remember 130 was a buyer's 5-minute candle. Essentially got up here, right up to the 50 and then stopped and moved lower. Is this a real program for a short? There goes this low. I don't expect them to hold that low. I need them to hold this low, if anything. It's really just that fair value gap here. I can't really put anything else down there but that. And then maybe this block here. This is a seller's candle. One more minute. Oh. Seconds. Added volume here. No added volume here. All right, let's start building the macro. Take weight at 50. Put this up. This is good because this is equilibrium of this macro, as of now at least. Who knows what they're going to do in the next 5 minutes to make it a true macro. No balanced price range here because there's no fair value gap here in this sell candle. Premium has been taken in that 5 minute. Are they going to take this high again? After they've taken discount here? It's dropping my brain. What's the 4-hour look like? Like a big old wick that's rejecting that previous week high. That's what it looks like. Like a big old wick that ran here and wanted to reject here. We have no news this week. No serious news this week. Apparently everyone's calling April 2nd as the day where we find out what's actually going on with tariffs. Disclaimer. Don't even think about it, Caleb. Don't even think about it. Disclaimer. Don't even think about it. Disclaimer. Don't even think about it, Caleb. Need that serotonin. Alright, here comes the macro. Macro is opening right at the open of the hour. And that's the macro. Let's see what they have programmed it to do. Judging off of this 1 minute close. These are still untradeable conditions, though. I will say that. So if I get stopped out here, I'm out. I'm gonna cut the stream if I get stopped out. Because as a bull, I still want to go up. I just don't want to see them. Volume imbalance here. So this is essentially going nowhere. See the 50. Nothing new. Still this candle here. Still 130. Got a whole 130. That 5 minute that's up here, that'll be marked as a sell candle. It hasn't been printed as a sell candle. In terms of the Hawkeye algorithm, whatever that is. Serotonin. All right. Okay. Stop me out. That's that high. DUI. That's oh. Oh my God! And am I getting stopped out of this position or not? uh, new 5 minute. Added volume there. Volume imbalance down there. I'm just happy I'm not tilted in here. That's what I'm happy about. Happy that I'm staying patient and just waiting for either side to make a decision. It seems like I'm positioned pretty well. Ah, boy. Stay the night, it's never enough. Mommy on the circle. Okay. Praying they just chop here for the rest of the day. Praying that that's what they want to do is just chop. The prayer is that nobody is here and nobody wants to make a decision. Delete this. You go grade A. Stupid. They have not stopped me out yet. Here comes the hour close. What's the 5 minute looking like? Nothing of note on the 5 minute. Nice, look at that. Nice. So they're doing nothing. The very fact that they would do that, do something like that, right at the close of the hour means that they're doing nothing. Right? That's what that means. They're doing nothing. So if they're doing nothing, then I'm completely out if they go here. Everything's off if they go here. So I'm either walking out of this position with 40 or nothing. And I like that. I'd rather that. Because even if they go lower and I miss it, even if they flush lower and I miss it, I'm cool. That is surefire nothing. The fact that they would do that. And that's what it looks like on the hourly chart. That looks like they got their objective for the day and they don't have to do anything else for the rest of the day. So I'm out at that low. I'm either out at this low or I'm out at my entry. Either or. Either nothing or 500. If they flush lower than this and I miss it, I'm totally okay with that. Okay, so I'm probably gonna get hit right now. Bow. Close. Out. Okay, cool. Okay, home 8 is wrapped. Alright. They got this low. I pray that this is as much as they're gonna do. Pray that this is as much as they're gonna do, but I'm out of that position that I was in. I'm not getting back in. Live done. Y'all have a blessed day.